Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Finance channel where we make the content about personal financing, crypto, NFTs and all those things. So let's dive in today's video. I'm going to be talking about what is really the NFTs, because nowadays you will be getting a lot of the traction over the NFTs, and you are confused what exactly is it and how you can also use it to make money online using the NFTs. Is it? So I'm going to be diving into the very basics of the NFT in this particular video, for especially those of you who are completely beginners to this thing and don't know about it. This video will really going to help you because I'm going to be diving into the complete basic, and yeah, so let's dive in. Before go park, consider taking the like button, guys. I really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so whenever we upload new videos, you'll be getting notified about it. So let's talk about what exactly the NFT is and why the hype is around this particular NFT. So if you actually Google it, I'm gonna take the Wikipedia definition and I'm gonna be explaining what I really mean by that. So first of all, the real definition of the NFTs, and yeah. So the NFT is basically the short form of non-fungible tokens. A non-fungible token is a unique and non-interchangeable unit of data stored on a blockchain. Blockchain, a form of a digital ledger. So basically with the coding and all those kind of stuff on the computer or in the laptop, whatever the screen they are making, the difference in non-fungible tokens. You can call it as a token, or you can call it as a kind of like a currency. You can call it as a digital currency as well. It's a unique and non-interchangeable unit of data stored on a blockchain, a form of a digital ledger. So you could actually take it as a chain. Like if you are having a chain, you could see one ledger is there, and it's kind of like a digital ledger where you're gonna see everything in a digital way. Okay. NFTs can be associated with reproducible digital files such as photos, videos, and audios. You could also provide in the form of the music, PDFs as well. NFT use a digital ledger to provide a public certificate of authenticity or proof of ownership, but do not restrict the sharing or copying of underlying digital files. So let me give you an example over here which you can very well relate to it. For example, of an artist. Now I am particularly an artist, so I'm going to take an example of that. I'm creating a certain kind of artwork on a piece of paper, or whether it's a digital artwork I'm creating. I'm gonna make that particular artwork, and now what I want this artwork to be registered in my own name, and I hold the ownership of that because I created completely by myself, completely from scratch. So I want the ownership of that particular artwork because it's created by me and I have the right for that. So what I can create an NFT of that particular artwork. Now you could create the NFTs about the photos, the videos, and also about the audio that you could also make in the form of a music file as well. So but this is an artwork, so obviously I'm going to make in the form of a photos. That could be a PNG format or JPEG, whatever it is. So in this way you artwork or videos or audios, and you can have the ownership of that. So I am an artist, I can create an artwork and I want the ownership of my artwork. Like it's a proof of authenticity that this is my artwork, I created by myself, I have the right for it, and I have created an NFT around it. So that is the whole thing is that. Now I have taken example of the being an artist. You can take an example of a musician as well who are creating the music. You can take an example of the video creator as well who's creating the videos and graphics or different kinds of the structures that are completely digital. It needs to be digital, it need not to be on a piece of paper. If it's there on a piece of paper, then you can very well convert into the digital files, and then you can make an NFT of that. So that is the basically the NFT is. So the lack of the interchangeability, that the fungibility distinguishes NFTs from the blockchain cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Like you can't interchange this particular unit in the cryptos, in the Bitcoin, in other kind of cryptocurrencies. You can actually interchange it, but the NFTs you can't change it because you have the ownership of that particular work that you have created in the form of a digital file, whatever it is, and you have the full right for that, and you're creating an NFT around that. So NFTs have been drawn a criticism with respect to the energy cost and carbon footprint associated with validating blockchain transactions, as well as their frequent use in the art scams. Further criticism challenged the usefulness of establishing proof of ownership in an often extra legal unregulated market. So this may be a little bit of the criticism because it's kind of like a new technology, like not that old as it used to be online stuff. It's not that old, and people are still not aware of that, so they think that it may lead to some scams or something like that, or illegal stuff, and some people do use that. So being a creator, you could actually make money by creating your own NFT, whether you are an artist, a designer, a video creator, or a music creator, whatever it is. You can create something, a digital asset, and then you can make an NFT around it. You hold the right for that. You have the ownership, the proof of the certificate that it is yours and it's not interchangeable. Of course, you can share that, but you can create an NFT and that kind of stuff is there. So this is about the basic definition of the NFT. That's quite basic for those of you guys who don't know what exactly the NFTs is. Let's talk about more about what are the different platforms where you can create your own NFTs. Like if you are someone who is looking forward to create an NFT, like an artist or a musician or a video creator or any form of creator, you're creating some sort of a digital file and you're looking forward to create an NFT. I'm going to be talking about some of the platforms that you could use to create your own NFTs. Now, of course, you need to go into much of the details about that. It's not that simple as it may sound. Like you need to go into creating a digital wallet and creating all those kind of formalities that you need to go forward to create that. It's not that easy. But similarly to the cryptocurrencies, NFTs are bought and sold on specialized platforms. So let me talk about some of the platforms. The OpenSea is the best known NFT marketplace. It's the most common marketplace out there. The people use most often for the NFTs. You need to create a wallet. The wallet might be accessed via the MetaMask, a free internet browser extension, or a secure physical device. It might also take the simple form of a code printed on a piece of paper. So you need to create a wallet and then you can connect your wallet with that particular platform. I talk about the different more marketplaces. I've already talked about the OpenSea. Let's talk about the other more marketplaces. We have the Nifty Gateway, a premium marketplace for NFTs, or colloquially known as NFTs, Nifty Gateway. So you could use this particular marketplace. Another one, I already talked about the OpenSea with over 4 million products in its portal. OpenSea lets you buy and sell crypto collectibles, gaming items, digital artwork, and other blockchain-based digital items. So this is one of the most popular marketplace out there. The one is Super Rare. This is also an amazing marketplace out there for NFTs, a peer-to-peer marketplace for NFTs built on Ethereum. So it's based on the Ethereum cryptocurrency. Super Rare describe itself in Instagram meets Christie's, so you can read much more about it. Another one is the Foundation, a creative community curated playground for artists, curators, and collectors to experience the new creative economy. So Foundation was basically launched in the February 2021. So it's completely a new platform, but you can make sure you can check it out what exactly it is. Another one is Rarible, a premier NFT marketplace. Rarible is a software allowing digital artists and creators to issue and sell custom crypto assets that represent ownership in their digital work. It is both a marketplace for those assets as well as a distributed network built on Ethereum that enables the trade without a middleman. So it's also based on the Ethereum, the Rarible. You can also check it out. Another marketplace is Maker's Place, a marketplace to discover and collect unique digital creations. Maker's Place empowers digital creators such as artists, photographers, writers, and more with the tools to protect and sell them to their fans and collectors. Another one is NFT Showroom, a digital art marketplace. NFT Showroom is built on Hive, a fast and free blockchain that makes creating and collecting rare digital art simple and accessible. Another one is Decentraland, the first fully decentralized virtual land where users can create and make money on the things they build and own. Another one is Axie Marketplace. While other NFT selling platforms focus on art and that pieces come from the either established or emerging artists and creatives, Axie Market is specific as it offers Axies. Another one is Ewigotaji, rare marketplace collectibles. Ewigotagis live on the Ethereum blockchain and similar to original Tamagotchi introduce a world of digital pets. Hike at Nuke, another one is Institute. Then these are the few marketplaces in which you can check out for the NFTs. Now obviously there are upcoming recent more changes, so there would be more upcoming NFTs marketplace would be coming more in 2022, 2023, and so on and so forth. So this is all about the NFT, the quite basic definition of what really the NFT is and what are the different marketplaces where you can sell your NFTs if you're creating a one. So hopefully this video will going to help you getting clear about what really the NFT is, and also what are the different marketplaces in which you can actually go and sell your own NFT if you're creating one or if you're buying someone else's NFT. So hopefully this video will going to help me. Let me know your own thoughts and views in the comment section below about the NFTs. Are you trading in the NFT? What are your thoughts, views about the NFT? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.